Operation of the SDM is very simple. Set your width for the door. There's a simple handle. Set the height of the second horizontal clamp. Quick movement. Quick movement. When you go to activate, depending upon the model that you have, you usually have at least one pressure setting. In this case, we have 3 pressure settings in the Triple P. The first level gives me about 75–80% of my pressure. The second level gives me full. The reason we use 2 pressure settings is we want to be able to have an opportunity to check these doors before we put full pressure on them to make sure that they're lining up correctly. As an added bonus on this particular clamp, we have a high-low pressure setting all the way around, so I can switch between pressure settings for hardwood, pressure settings for melamine or MDF with the flip of one switch. Placement of the center rail is key to even pressure. The bottom rail is fixed. We're always going to have a part at the bottom, so we don't need to move it. What about the center rail? Well, if we need, here it's good, but if we need to move it, it all moves on a handle. One person, one stroke, anywhere you need it. Today we're looking at the SDM2-TM, that's set for tenon mortise production, but as you can see, 2 doors per section. You've got an aluminum pressure bar set right between the doors and extra vertical clamps. So if I need to, or want to, I can add a second door. Big time increase in your production. Let's take a closer look at the corner. Our reference point, of course, is 0 lower left-hand corner. To get our parts in position, we also have 0 references on the back line, built into the side of the clamp, and it's also built into the movable sections. 1, 2. Positioning for next setup is easy. Slide your clamps. You're ready to go.